Find it. Find your pace. Two hands. Come on. Lean in. Up. Good. Jump. Drive.
Take one leg.
Take one leg.
Track
Good.
down.
Track down. Break them down. Break them down. Chop. All that up. Chop.
Jump that side. Lock it up. Jump to the other side. Other side.
Other side.
Come to this side. Under the arms.
Pull it
2
back.
on 1.
Pull it back.
Pull it on the head here. Watch the head here.
Chop. 2 on 1. Off your knees. Go. Snap. Hey.
Hey, good shot again. Hey, same finish. Right there.
Find your pace. Don't wait for it. Find your pace. Yep. Find your pace. Yep. Good.
Two hands. Jump it.
Head up. Good up. Yes.
Step over. Again. Step over. Right there, hold. Bulldog. Legs back. Legs back.
Get your legs back. Now what? Circle.
Or we just like you spin on the bottom. No. It's kind of like when you have them in the head up here and you just inside
On your toes.
dunk them. Kind of.
On your toes.
I have to show you.
Superman.
Scoop the head. Elevate the head. Good job.